Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Kali. Start by downloading the official Kali Linux ISO image directly from the Offensive Security website. It's crucial to verify the integrity of your download using the provided SHA-256 checksums. This ensures the file isn't corrupted or tampered with. Before proceeding, confirm your system meets the minimum requirements. At least 2 GB of RAM and 20 GB of free disk space are recommended for a smooth installation. You have several excellent options for installing Kali Linux. For peak performance and direct hardware access, a bare metal installation is ideal. Alternatively, if you prefer a safe, isolated environment, consider using a virtual machine platform such as VirtualBox or VMware. A third popular choice is creating a persistent live USB drive, offering portability and the ability to boot Kali on almost any computer. Once Kali is installed, your first step should be to update all system packages. Open a terminal and run sudo apt update followed by sudo apt upgrade to ensure everything is current. Next, customize your setup by installing any additional tools or utilities essential for your specific tasks. Finally, configure your network settings, including any necessary VPNs, to secure your traffic and maintain anonymity during operations. For optimal security, always avoid using the root user for everyday tasks. Instead, create and use a standard user account. It's also vital to regularly back up your important data and configurations to prevent any potential loss. Finally, consistently keep your Kali Linux system updated and apply security patches as soon as they become available. This proactive approach helps mitigate vulnerabilities and keeps your environment secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.